guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Omnia, this is OmneyasWish, and I got today my Triple D Diva box. I have been waiting. You know how freaking fast I had to be to get this? I wasn't even sure I was going to get it. There's a limited amount each month, and it goes live at like, she's on the West Coast, I'm on the East Coast, so it's 9 p.m. my time, and I checked out, I kept refreshing at 9 o'clock, got it, boom, checked out, 9:02, I had it, 9:03, they were gone. So that's how lucrative these boxes are. I just heard about, this is her third box, so it's not like I've been out of the loop forever. So make sure I don't bang. Look at that. It says, don't hide your inner diva. It has this little, it's all taped up here. I don't even want to crack that. This crinkling, it drives me crazy. I know it's going to drive you crazy. Hold on. Okay, so this is the presentation of everything that's in the Diva box. I'll just grab them so we're not dealing with crinkly anymore. The items that are in the box, I think the dips are exclusive only to the box. And that side. And other stuff are things that are going to be coming to the shop. So first we have, I don't even know what to grab yet, these gorgeous tweezers. Oh, they're good, they're weighty. You can use it to pinch your nails when you can't find your actual nail pinching tools. Because she does sell builder gel in a pot. Let's see, so she's got some new brushes that have come out. One's pointy, one's on an angle, and one's flat. So that's nice. I don't want to open them and get them dusty. Alright, we'll look through the foils. I will leave the links down below to her Facebook group. I did join the Facebook spoilers because I'm nosy. Like, I don't care about being that surprised. I'd rather know what something is when it arrives. Oh my god, I can't get this open. Tweezers. Hold on. Okay, it's folded. There's about, I don't know, seems like 3 feet of each foil. So, we got this one. They all seem to be holiday related. Black hollow. That one. I do not want these to get all wonky. It's definitely enough here to like cut and share with your friends. So this one says Merry Christmas on it. Got some stars. Fumbly, I'm sorry. This says that, whatever, I can't see because of the hollow. It's hard for me to see. And because I suck, my eyes suck. These are cute. They're bigger images. Trees. I think that's one of those stockings. We got snowflakes. We got different kinds of snowflakes. Are those snowflakes or stars? Snowflakes. Got like angels and bells and ornaments and snowflakes. And this one, we got doves and all kinds of stuff. And then, I think that's it. Yeah, that's the folding. Alright, let me get this back together. Okay, the next item are these cute little sweater nails stickers. And I've seen how you use them. It's easier if you cut them like right on the line. So that way they bend easier on the nail. They will go around the nail easier. They're a little bit short. Like I could use them on this hand. On this hand, no. Unless I did just a half a nail. But anyways, those are super cute. And you would, to make it easier, cut them and then place them in pieces. And, yeah. And then we have these ones, and they are like 3D, but you can encapsulate them in clear or in gel, hard gel. Those little sweaters. You can make your own patterns by putting them together. Am I in shot? I can't even tell. And then in this bubble thing was these cute little things, and I can't get the snowflakes. Little snowflakes. They're super thin too. Oh shit, my hair is flying. They're white and like a baby pink. I don't want to lose my snowflakes. Hold on. God damn it. Okay, and the next item is shrink wrapped. I'm not going to open it right now. This is one of those chrome sticks, and it's double-ended. It's got silver on one end and a rose gold on the other end where the stuff is in the cap. And it's branded with her brand's name. It's very cute. I've seen it swatched. It's very pretty over white and black. It would go nice over, especially the rose gold would go nice over a pink as well. And let's get to the dips. Every month she features another brand. Last month it was Poshy nail decals. And this month is Kimber's Creations. Just trying to get them over here with the swatch sticks. So this is Diva number 8. Diva number 9. No, sorry, wrong. Diva number 7 is a dark gray. Diva number 8 is like a light lavender. And Diva number 9 is this gorgeous glitter. I don't know if you can see it. It's so pretty. So pretty. And these two are solids, so I'll just give you a peek at the glitter. It's got foils. It's a foil one. It's beautiful. I'm getting Valentine's Day vibes from this. And the one from Kimber's Creation is called Love Affair. It's like pink and like crystal clear. There's like white glitters in it, or a shimmery effect. Very, very, very pretty. And the new item coming to the shop is, this is a 5-gram pot sample. It is, of course it's sealed. I'm not going to open it. It's a builder gel, but it's pink. This one is called Pink Opulent, where her other one is just called Opulent, which is clear builder gel, and it comes in a 15-gram pot. Her builder gels are really good. I've used them. And this is Kimber's Creations card. So you can check out Kimber's Creations. I have bought from her before. She has nice dips. And yeah, that is everything in the box. 4 dips. A sample. 5 grams. You get a lot out of 5 grams of builder gel. Trying to get these all in my hand the right way. Oh, son of a bitch. I'm so clumsy. So clumsy. Just sticks stay in my hand. What the hell's the matter with you? It's 4 sticks. So, got the brushes. Those are coming to the shop, I think. Maybe the tweezers. I don't know. I'm not sure. The chrome sticks, I think she does have the other ones from last month. I think they are in the shop. I know last month's foils were in the shop. There were some black ones and there were some white ones. They were very pretty. These things, I don't know if they will come to the shop. Little pink and white snowflakes. And the sweater nails, I don't know if they are exclusive. I know the dips. The dips are exclusive except for Kimber's Creations. You can get that over on her shop, so I will link her down below if you like this dip. It's very pretty. Look at them. Look at that dark gray. Isn't that gorgeous? It's a very pretty winter. Like, it goes through spring, summer, fall. I think. It's all around, year round, but it's the accessories that you put on it that would make it a holiday nail or a seasonal nail. So that is my first Diva box. I hope to snag next month. I should have grabbed the one somebody was selling last month. Cheaper. This was $50 to $5 shipped. And I think it's well worth the $55, especially when you get the items beforehand, like the builder gel. Because I've seen it on people's nails, and it's not pink. It's not going to show your nails to be pink. It almost just like kind of brightens up your nails. It's still translucent. Even though in the pot it'll look pink when you open it, it'll be one of those translucent pinks that kind of brighten up your nail. So that is this month's Diva box. And I will leave the links down below. Tell me what you think about this. Do you think it was worth the money? I do. Do you wish you had it? Would you have bought it? Maybe not at Christmas time. I know things are financially hard right now. Things are financially hard just because of the pandemic, point blank. But during the holidays, it's kind of hard to buy things for yourself. So, yeah. So I'm glad I got it, and I can't wait to do a mani. I love grays, and that is a gorgeous gray. It pairs very nicely with this one. So, yep. That's it, guys. I just want to share that with you. This was MIA of the Postal Service. It just sat somewhere for a very long time. But that's no fault of the businesses. We know that. I think we should know that. The post office is getting hammered with holiday packages, and postal carriers and people who work in the post office are getting sick with COVID. That's what I know. Where I live, they start at different times so that not everybody is in the building at the same time gathering their roots. You will see a mailman out at 7 o'clock in the morning because he went in at 5 to gather his stuff, and then the next group of people can come in and grab their stuff, and then other people don't leave till 10 or 11. They're trying to break it up. So, yeah. So this is the Diva box, and I'll leave the links down below, and tell me what you think down below about this box. I think it's very pretty. It's very girly. I'm not girly, but I do like stuff like this for my nails. So yeah, that's it. So remember to like, subscribe, do all that YouTube crap, and you guys stay safe out there, and be good, and have a nice one, guys. Bye!